Chris, how can we break free from the current situation?
Every American president that has been assassinated in office has basically crossed the elite by threatening to restore money power to the people of the U.S. All right? The elite don't want this. This is their ace in the hole. It's how they control everybody. Money is abstract utility. It's completely generic and completely general, so it can be used to actually control the direction of mankind. Anything to which we attach a value can be enumerated in terms of money, and once that happens, they're in control of it. They know this. This is 100% their strategy. It has been from the beginning. And when the nobles of Europe gave these people the power, a monopoly, to create money, they sealed our doom, all but sealed our doom, which is something that we'll get to later vis-a-vis Revelations, which has to do with the doomsday prophecy that results from this kind of phenomenon.
It seems like there's no way to stop the elites.
There's no easy way to stop the elites. There are ways to stop the elite. If mankind were to come together around the truth, absolute truth, and simply will the elites out of power, it could be done.
But we would need organization, and it's hard to organize if you don't control the media or the infrastructure.
Precisely, and that's why it's almost to the point of no return now. We're at this omega point. We're at the point of divergence, and things are looking very good for the elite. Not good in the long run, because the elite will destroy themselves. It's their nature to do that. They're evil. But we're at the point where it's going to be very, very hard to get a positive outcome out of this. And that's why people have to do something. As for whose responsibility it is, well, it's everybody's responsibility.
Haven't the power-hungry elite always taken control of their societies?
Absolutely, but there were limits to how far they could expand their empires. Basically, people could still get together en masse and revolt and overthrow any colonial empire that came and tried to take them over. So the world was more or less, gerrymandered, so there was at least a certain amount, not necessarily a significant amount in some cases, but some amount of local self-determination on the parts of people. They were geographically separated, and nobody, not even the Romans, for example, could enforce an empire worldwide. Okay, the technology did not exist for it. Now they have the technology for that. We're at a crossroads, because the people who control this technology now have the means to solidify a global empire. That's what globalism is. All right? A total absence of self-determination, individual and national sovereignty. That's what it is. It is absolutely, it was written in stone from the very beginning that humanity produces enough evil people that would try to do this, that it was virtually inevitable that they would try to get power. This world made the mistake of giving it to them. It's a terrible mistake. All right? And now we have to try to save it. It's not going to be easy.
It just seems so hopeless.
It's not hopeless as long as absolute truth exists, and there is a possibility that people will grasp it. It all comes down to an act of will. That's basically what causation is. Everything else is illusion.